Good Monday afternoon. I am studying meteorologist Harrison Black, and I'm here to give you a weather briefing. We finally have something that might happen at the end of the week. It's been a long time since we've had really any major, any just synoptic system come through here with any significant rain chances, and this will finally be that system and that pattern for us. So happy about that. I'll give you more specifics as we go on here, but this is the current satellite as we are dealing with it right now, and you can see the sun coming up right there. We got some few wispy high clouds in the sky this afternoon, but other than that, it's a very clear and beautiful day out there right now that I'm looking out the window. Let's see. So here's your radar across the country right now. And this was at about 11:45 or noon, somewhere in there. And you got some showers over central Texas and also over northern California and parts of the East Coast, central northern part of the East Coast. You had a little bit of a mixture of maybe some snow flurries up there in New York and up into New England. A little bit of a wintry mix there. But, as we get deeper into May and we get deeper into April and into May, we will see that disappear from our radars. So here's your SBC day one outlook for today. Obviously, there is no severe weather expected across the nation, just general thunderstorms. Same thing for tomorrow. But day three, we do have a marginal risk in the Central Plains from not the, I guess that'd be northwestern Texas into extreme southern South Dakota there, and that's just 1 out of 5, so a lower end risk. But day 4, and this would be Thursday, you have a defined 15% risk from Oklahoma to extreme southern Minnesota. So that's one day to watch on Thursday, and then on Friday we have another one in Arkansas and in northeast Texas and much of southeast Oklahoma and southern Missouri. We do have another 15% chance risk for severe weather in that area. And then our day, which would be our day, would be Saturday when it would move in. The predictability is still too low. And I do agree with that. We just do not know enough about that system yet to call anything one way or the other. So this is today off of the GFS deterministic model. And this is today, obviously no rain anywhere near us. We've already kind of seen where a lot of that activity is today, and that's over Texas and California and New England. So nothing today, just a beautiful, cool, dry day. Seasonal temperatures high around 74. Tomorrow, Tuesday, most of these are going to be around 7 p.m. So at the very end of the afternoon. But rain chances are starting to creep up into the Arklatex, but still around here, no rain to be seen. It warms up a little bit on Tuesday, and on Wednesday, it continues to warm up. Humidity actually takes a notable increase on Wednesday as we start to get a little bit more of a southerly flow. You see those low pressure systems starting to form on the northern parts of our American Rockies right there. And then this is Thursday. All right, so this is Thursday, and this is where you have that bigger severe weather risk over the central part of the United States. And you can see we have a 981 millibar low on the U.S.-Canada border right there in extreme North Dakota, or North Dakota. And that has a trailing front with a pretty significant synoptic look there for severe weather. Of course, that would stay to our west and northwest, and this is Friday. And that trailing front kind of stalls out in Missouri, and that would be moving south through the day. But again, this is too early for specifics at this point, but a chance for severe weather is certainly there over portions of the Arklatex north into maybe southern Missouri. So here's Saturday, and this is when stuff could start to ramp up here. Rain chances for sure go up. Severe weather chances could go up, but we're not quite confident enough to make any calls. This run does have a 998 millibar low over southeastern Missouri. And that is a favorable position for severe weather around here, but you do have a bunch of other low pressure systems trying to become dominant as well. This is not a ideal, perfect, classic synoptic setup by any means, but it is favorable for severe weather. This is Sunday, and we still have some showers lingering around the area. I think moisture does stay there. I would keep rain chances there, probably 50-50 on Sunday, but we're just going to have to get closer to know details about this weekend. So this is just 10 days out. This is just the next system after that. So this is 4 a.m. on the 28th. So we're really talking about late 27th, early 28th of April. We might have another chance for severe weather. There's been a lot of analog data that has kind of raised a red flag saying, hey, pay attention to this time frame. Of course, we can't talk about the severity or anything like that because we just don't know that yet. But we do have a signal that, hey, watch out for maybe early to middle of next week. So this is why all of this rain is so important. Look at this. This is the drought monitor. We have 4 out of 5 for much of southeast Alabama on the drought monitor, but most of us is sitting in the 2 to 3 out of 5 range. So this rain is going to be very beneficial, very, very beneficial for our region, and we need as much rain as we can get before we get into our drier season, which is mid to late summer and into fall. But here's your 5-day forecast for Northwest Alabama for April 20th. We have just clear, sunny skies for most of the week until Friday, when those storm chances do start to go up just a little bit. So just wanted to get on here and give a little update on what the weather's doing, and hopefully I can pump out more of these briefings in the near future, maybe even some more this week. I'm just trying to get into the flow of it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope y'all have a great day, and yeah, y'all have a good one.